Here we have the foldable drone with camera. Unboxing. Just kidding, it's not a drone.
Yes, it is.
It's just a briefcase.
Open it. I dare you to open it.
Should just be money inside. Okay, let's see. Whoa. Look at that controller. And then look, this comes up. And then you put your phone in there. And then you're like, we'll have to test that in a minute. Well, you're eating right now, so. Whoa, look at this little guy.
It's a drone.
Yeah.
So
there's
cute.
The controls. Batteries. I like the case.
Batteries are included.
That's right. Usually they aren't. Alright, let's set this bad boy up. Thanks for watching.